Hey guys, and today I'm going to be showing you my trek I made from Thomas the Train. So, I'm going to get Thomas the Train to drive, and yeah. So just so you know, my channel is going to be about lots of stuff, not only model trains and things, so yeah. Let's go. So I've made a little tunnel up here, so it's really cool, and that's right. It comes out back at the end, so here it comes. It's gonna go over the bridge and up into this like castle building I made. It's got lots of stations, but I'm just not gonna stop there so I can show you the whole trek. Okay, so here it goes through a little tunnel and a post station, and then here it has like a spin around, so it can stop there for the other trains so they can come, but now it's just Thomas on its own. So here it drives around here, and then it's got a railroad crossing where I can put like this. So the trains need to stop, and then the cars can just go.
So many wires, why don't they just have one thing to say?
And drive. So then you can put it back. And then the train can just go through. And now I'm going up here to my other path. It's got here so you can get cars on some of my special wagons I've got. So here's the bridge, and it can actually open and close. I've just lost one of these here, so I might find it back one day. So it goes up here. Whoa. And then all the way up here to some other stations underneath the bridge, little town over here. Then it's up there. It can stop there, then it can go again. So I really enjoy making these videos, and just that sometimes it takes a big while before I make another one, because I just don't feel like it sometimes. So here's like a shed, I call it this shed, and it's got heaps of trains that can just park there. And yeah, so it's Joe Thomas there. So it's really cool. And now I'm just gonna turn Thomas around so you can go and drive that other way. So you've really seen this. La la la. So he just goes drives along there, and okay, so I'll just skip that part, because that could just take ages. So then, when it's gone through the tunnel and it's up to this station here, so yeah, then it goes here and it can like get some water. It's not real water that comes out, but it is real water that's in there. But I don't know, threw in there for a big while, so I think you can't drink it. And yeah, it looks pretty cool because it goes out for some reason, but not out there, but it gets empty. And then when I pull it back up, you see all the water's back. So stops there. I've already got a lot of strings and a lot of rails, but I always want more because it's super fun. So here's one of my newest ones. It's called Steven, and he's actually a version of the rocket. So it goes through the tunnel, and here I've got heaps of wagons should be parked here, but heaps of wagons are getting used right now. So yeah, now it stops there. Oh yeah, and here I've got a little brother, and here's his shed for his trains. It's a little bit like the wagons area. So yeah, there you have Thomas, and I'm gonna drive back to where we started. There we are, station. So the station, it's pretty cool because you can. That's weird. That looks like smoke, and it wasn't. There. And this here, you can have like a clock, and you can change the time by doing this here. So it doesn't work in real, but so yeah, like this. And then I've got these buttons here where one of them is all aboard, as you've already heard. Another one is the train whistling and driving off. This one here. So that's like that it's arriving at Edinburgh, but what you can also do is turn it around and here, look, so this here, it's got, so you can see a little switch, and I can turn it into USA, French, and German. So I'm just putting it in USA, so it will not say that it's from Nashville, it will say Detroit, yes. You see from New York, and the last one, as you've probably already guessed, is when it arrives. Yep, so I might show you more videos, probably about this maybe, and I might even like do fake episodes, like, you know, Thomas the Train episodes, but then we'll see if wooden wheels. So yeah, I'm hoping that you would subscribe and maybe comment if you want to see another train of all of these trains lying around. And yeah, I enjoy playing with this because it's just fun. Like Gordon Express would be a pretty cool one.